For a homework assignment that has a rubric, rather than hitting full credit or typing in a score into the box there, you can click on the various boxes that you have in the rubric. So if I click on exemplar here, it will automatically put a grade in, and then I can type in my feedback. I can also copy and paste some of the bullet points in the rubric directly into the feedback. And submit. Same thing for classwork. If we have the rubric set up like this, then let's say I just want to give 100% real quick, rather than just hitting full credit, I'll hit the 3 rubric boxes.